Today I'm showing you how to check your data usage on your Android phone so you can monitor how much mobile data you're consuming. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Go to Network and Internet, Connections, or Data Usage depending on your device manufacturer. Step 3. Select Internet or Mobile Network, SIM cards to access your cellular data settings. For my device, I'll need to head over to the SIMs option. Step 4. View Data Usage. Look for Data Usage, Data Warning and Limit, or App Data Usage. Tap on it. You'll see a graph showing your data consumption over time. Step 5. Check Current Billing Cycle. At the top, you'll see your total data used during your current billing cycle. This shows how much mobile data you've consumed since your cycle started. Step 6. View Data by App. Scroll down to see a list of all apps and how much data each one is used. Apps are typically listed from highest to lowest data consumption. This helps you identify which apps are using the most data. Step 7. Change Date Range. To view data usage for different time periods, tap the date range at the top or tap the calendar icon. You can select specific dates to see historical data usage, for example, view last month's usage or compare different weeks. Why monitor data usage? Checking data usage helps you avoid overage charges, identify data-hungry apps, staying within your plan limits, optimize app settings to save data, and decide if you need a larger data plan. And that's it. You can now check and monitor your data usage on your Android phone to stay within your mobile data limits.